How to activate dark mode on Instagram in iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can activate dark mode on Instagram on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to activate dark mode on the Instagram app on iPhone, you have to go ahead and then open up Instagram. The problem with this app is that whenever I'm on this profile page here, as you can see, and then you basically just tap the three lines icon and then you go to settings, right? And once you go to settings, here you can see there is no way on any option because of the recent update or I don't know whatever, there is no option to switch to dark mode. Even if I go to account and tools, account, about section, wherever else, there is no theme option like we had before, and then there is no dark mode option. Now sometimes it will be there, don't worry, because by the time you might be watching the video you might have the theme option. Just in case you don't have it like me, then to switch to dark mode on Instagram, you just need to switch to dark mode on your iPhone. So swipe down your control center, tap then hold the brightness button here and then just turn on dark mode. As you do that, dark mode will also be automatically enabled on your iPhone, as you can see it over here. So this is just one of the ways that we can do it. I haven't found any of the options within this center, so hopefully this video helped you answer the question. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.